Good morning students, this is Shraddha Shukla. I welcome all of you in our YouTube channel Sita Group of Education. Today I will discuss with you about integers. Okay. In this video I will just tell you what are the integers, how do we add and subtract the integers. Generally students are facing problem in addition and subtraction of the integers. So in this video I will just clear your doubts. So let's start our video. Before telling about integers, let's have a revision of natural numbers and the whole numbers. So what are the natural numbers? Natural number, counting numbers are called natural numbers. Thus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on are known as a natural number. Okay. So which is the smallest natural number? 1 is known as the smallest natural number. Which is the biggest natural number? We cannot just decide that which is the biggest natural number. So for this, the biggest natural number does not exist. Got it? Now just see about the whole number. So what are the whole numbers? All natural numbers together with 0 are called whole numbers. Thus 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 etc. are known as a whole number. Okay. So the same question is here, which is the smallest whole number? If somebody will ask you which is the smallest natural number, then you will just speak that 1 is the smallest natural number because it starts with 1. Okay. And if somebody will ask you which is the smallest whole number, then you will just speak 0 is known as the smallest whole number because whole numbers are started with 0. Got it? Now biggest whole number, which is the biggest whole number? It cannot be decide that which is the biggest whole number. So for this it does not exist. Got it? Now come to our main point, integers. Basically integers are also the numbers. Okay. So all natural numbers, 0 and negatives of the counting numbers are called integers. See the example, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have written here a series of numbers. -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here just see, these are -4, -3, -2, -1. These are known as a negative integers, and 1, 2, 3, 4, these are known as a positive integers. One number is also here, 0. 0 is counted neither as a positive number nor as a negative integer. Got it? So 0 is neither a positive integer nor a negative integer. Now the question is arises here, the smallest integer. Which is the smallest integer? So we cannot just decide that which can be the smallest integer. In the same manner, the biggest integer cannot be decided. Okay. Now the one question is here, biggest negative integer. Which is, if somebody will ask you which is the biggest negative integer, then you will reply -1 is known as biggest negative integers. Okay. Now next point is here. Now I will just tell you some rules for the addition and subtraction. Under this you have to just pay attention on the sign. Okay. Now first rule is here, if your digits are given in positive, if 2 digits are given in a positive, then we will add them. Okay. Example, just see here, 8 plus 6. Here 8 is a positive number and 6 is also a positive number. When 2 positive numbers will be given, then we will always add them. 8 plus 6, 14. In the same series, 3 plus 2 become 5. 1 plus 4 become 5. Okay. Here you are just watching that all these examples are related with the positive integers. Here 8 is positive numbers, 6 is also positive numbers. When 2 positive numbers will be given, then we will always add them. Got it? Now see the second rule is here. When two minus integers will be given, if two minus integers will be given, then also we will add them. Okay, just see the example, minus 8 minus 6, and it will become minus 14. 8 is also here minus number, 6 is also read as a minus 6. Okay, means these are the negative integers. Then we will just add them and it will become minus 14. Second example, you will see minus 3 minus 2, it will also add and it will become minus 5. Minus 1 minus 4, it will become minus 5. Got it? I think these 2 points are clear to all of you. Now see the next rule. If two integers, out of two integers, one would be positive and second would be negative integer, then we will subtract them. Which concept we will apply there? We will subtract them. Okay, just see the example here, 6 minus 4. Here 6 is a positive integer and 4 will be read as a negative integer. Got it? So 6 minus 4, we will just subtract it. 6 minus 4, it will become 2. Okay. Next 8 minus 2, here we will just read 2 as a minus 2. This is a negative integer. Okay, and which concept we will apply here? One is a positive integer and second is a negative integer. If this kind of the situation will come, then always we will do the concept of subtraction there. Here we have subtracted 8 minus 2, 6. Okay, now third one you will see 2 minus 6. Okay, here 2 is a positive number and 6 is a negative number. Okay, then the answer has come minus 4. Now one question can be arise in your mind that here I have written minus 4. Okay, so when we are just doing the subtraction, at that time which sign will come in an answer, which will be the greater number, that sign will be come. If your positive integer will be greater than the negative integer, then positive sign will come. If the negative integer will be greater with the positive integer, then we will just put the sign of minus. Got it? So the next point 4 you will see, minus plus will become minus. If one integer will be given in minus and second will be given in a plus, then we will just apply minus rule. Got it? See the example here, minus 10 plus 2. Now we will subtract this. It will become 8 minus. It will become 8. Next is here, minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. Okay, because here 6 will be read as a minus 6 and 4 will be read as a plus 4. Okay, one is given in a negative integer, one is given as a positive integer. Then we will apply the rule of subtraction, and here we will subtract 6 minus 4, 2 will come, and which sign will come? Because 6 is a greater number, that's why minus sign will come here. Next you will see minus 2 plus 6. Okay, we will subtract again because concept is there. If one will be the positive integers and second will be the negative integer, then we will just subtract the integers. Okay, so here answer will come 4, but here plus 4 will come because here 6 is a positive integer and 6 is greater than 2. Got it? That's why here positive sign will come. Now I will just discuss some exercise questions with you, how to solve these questions. Okay, so find the sum of, here two integers are given and you have to just add them. So how you will do, just see carefully. First is given 153 and in place of and we will put the sign of plus. Next is given minus 302. Okay, so 153 we will write as it is. Here outside of the bracket plus is given, inside of the bracket minus is given. So we will just multiply the sign, plus minus become minus, and here 302. Now we will just minus, because one is a minus number, one is a plus number, so we will subtract here. Okay. Now 12, 3, we will just take a borrow from 3. Okay. So 2 will become 12, 12 minus 3 become 9, 9 minus 5, 4, and 2 minus 1, 1. Got it? This is a minus number, so answer will become minus 149. This will be your answer. Here I have put it minus sign here. Why? Because 302 is a greater number than 153, and 302 is a minus digit, minus integer, that's why minus sign will come here. Next you will see here, next question is given 1005 plus minus 207. Same process we will apply. 105 plus minus become minus 207. Okay. Now again we will just subtract it, because one is a positive number and one is a negative number. 15 minus 7, 8 will come here. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 2, 7, and plus sign will come here. Why? Because 1005 is a greater than 277, and 1005 is a positive integer, that's why we will just put the sign of plus, and there is no need to put the sign of plus. Okay, so answer will be 728. Now see the third question. Minus 2035 plus 297. In the same manner we will do. Okay, 2035 we will just subtract, because here minus 2035 is a negative integer and 297 is a positive integer. One is a negative number, second is a positive number. We will just apply the concept of negative. Okay, subtraction. Now 15 minus 7, 8, 12 minus 9, 3, 9 minus 2, 7, and 1 is left here. So 1738, and which sign will come? Minus sign will come, because here minus 2035 is greater than 297, that's why minus sign will come here. In the same series you will see the next question. Minus 489 plus next minus 324. Okay, minus 498 we will write as it is. Now here before the bracket plus sign is there, inside the bracket minus is there, then we will multiply and plus minus will become minus 324. Okay, now see here minus 489 is given and minus 324 is given. Both digits are the negative integers, so we will just add them, because I had told you that when the both number will be either in a negative or in a positive, then we will apply always the addition rule. Okay, so 9 plus 4, 13, 8 plus 2, 10, 1, 11, and 4 plus 3, 7, 7, 1, 8, and the sign will come minus. Okay, so here minus 813. Your answer will be minus 813. Okay, because both are the negative integers, so sign we will apply of the negative. Okay, now second question is find the additive inverse of. In the additive inverse we have to only change the sign. If positive digit is given, then we will just write down the negative digit. If negative digit is given, then we will just write down the positive digit. Got it? So minus 83 is given and its additive inverse will be 83. here 256 positive digit is given, so its additive inverse will be minus 256. Now 0, I had told that 0 is neither positive nor negative integer, that's why 0 will remain 0. Got it? Now the next is here minus 2001 is given and its additive inverse will be 2001. Okay, I think this question is also clear to all of you. Now we just proceed to our next question, subtraction. Got it? Here 6 questions are given, 4 I will just tell you how to solve and last 2 you will do as a homework. Got it? So here 28 from minus 42, here you have to just subtract 28 from minus 42. Okay, so very first we will write here minus 42 because we have to subtract 28 from minus 42. So which digit, here generally students are just committed mistake. Okay, they just write down the 28 very first, but we have to subtract here and we have to subtract 28 from minus 42. So which digit is given after from, that digit we will write very first with its sign. Okay, if positive sign is given then positive number we will write it, if negative digit is given then we will write down the negative digit. Okay, now we have to subtract, that's why minus, and after that we will write down 28. Okay, so in this manner minus 42 and 28 was the positive integer, but we have to just subtract here. So both just become the minus number, minus 42 minus 28, we will add them, 8 plus 2 10, 4 2 and 1 as a carry, it becomes 7. Okay, and the sign will be minus. See here, so answer will be minus 70. We have to subtract it, but according to the concept, if both digit will be the same sign, either in a negative sign or in a positive sign, then we have to always add them. Okay, and the sign will be according to the given digit. Here both digits are the negatives, that's why the sign will be also negative. Got it? So our answer will be minus 70. Now see the next one is here, minus 36 from 42. So very first we will write down the 42, after that we are just subtracting, that's why we will put here minus sign. Then we are also having the minus digit, that's why I have put it in a bracket. Now see how to solve this question. Okay, here 42, now before the bracket minus is given, inside the bracket minus is given, then here we will just multiply the sign, and minus, when the minus will multiply with the minus sign, then it will become plus. Got it? Now 36. Okay, so here 42, we have got 42 plus 36 now. So we will add this 42, 36, 2 plus 6, 8, 4 plus 3, 7, and answer will be plus 78 because both are here positive numbers now. Okay, see the next one is here, minus 37 from minus 53. Minus 53, very first we will write down, after that minus, then minus 37 in a bracket. Again the same process we will apply, minus 53 minus into minus will become plus 37. Now see, in this manner 53 is a negative integer and 37 as a positive integer. Again opposite sign we are having, so we will just subtract them. Opposite sign will be subtract and same sign will be add. Got it? So here 53, 37. 13 minus 7 will become 6. 4 minus 3 will become 1. Okay, and which sign will come? Minus sign will come because here 53 is greater than 37. Now one more question you will see, after that last 2 questions you will do as a homework. Okay, which concept I had told you. So here 0, then minus, because you have to subtract here minus 64 from 0. So very first we will write here 0, after that minus, then minus 64. Okay, again the same process we will apply. 0 minus into minus will become plus 64. Okay, and the answer will be 64 here. Okay students, I hope that this concept is clear to all of you very well. So these two questions, 318 from 0 and minus 153 from minus 240, these two questions you will do at your house. Okay, thank you.